Welcome back, you guys. Let me see. So today we are going to do a review on the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. So this is actually my first time using the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. So let's get straight into the video. Yeah, let's go. So I think I bought the Ancient Egyptian line some weeks ago. I can't remember. This is actually my first time buying Main Choice. I haven't used Main Choice. I decided to, if I want to experience more on my natural hair journey, then I need to try more products than the ones I'm normally used to. And the only ones that I really use is the Cream of Nature. I use Cream of Nature product line. I always use her product line. I do use Shea Moisture, but I've just always been a Cream of Nature type of girl. So I want to get out there, experience more, and all that other stuff. So my first product review is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line. Now I am going to tell you this line is very pricey. The only things I've got was the conditioner, which is this, and I don't know if it's gonna, the conditioner, the shampoo, and the anti-breakage and repair gel. Those are the three. Those three are the only ones that I've gotten, and these three together I think was about $62. I was gonna get the leave-in. Yeah, I was gonna get the leave-in and the oil that went with it, but I've ended up getting the other Main Choice leave-in. Well, it was a sealing cream, the moisture sealing cream, and I already had oil for my hair. I used the wild hair growth oil, so I didn't feel like I needed any oil. But anyway, how I felt about the shampoo. Now, I did do a wash day, and I showed you guys my results in my wash day, but now I'm going to tell you how I felt about this line, period. Now, the shampoo, when I first used the shampoo, I didn't like it. Yeah, I didn't like it. When I first used the shampoo, I didn't like it because it didn't lather like I wanted to. It didn't have the stuff that it didn't have what I wanted. And so I was like, well, it's only the first time, so let me keep using it. So as I kept using it, I started noticing, like, okay, it's adding moisture to my hair. I have less breakage, which it does say less breakage. I have less breakage, and I actually like it. It does what it says. So it says it's anti-breakage and repair antidote. And it says, thoughtfully cleans without stripping, penetrates well into the layers of the hair shaft, prevents and repairs cuticle damage, restores hair condition and delivers shine, makes hair feel soft and reduce frizz, loaded with fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9, helps to replenish hair and fight against split ends, improve hair appearance and texture, strengthen moistures each strand. Just enough to use daily on all hair types. And what is written on here is very true, because my hair gets less frizz when I do a twist out. My hair does feel very moisturized, and that's what I have a problem with. My hair sucks up so much moisture. I know for a fact that I have high porosity hair, and it doesn't dry out my hair. With me having color in my hair, that's the one thing that I'm looking for in the shampoo, that it does not dry out my hair. So I actually liked it. And you do not have to use a lot, because I was mad that this 8-ounce bottle cost about $13. 13, 14, I think. But you do not have to use a lot. You can really use a dime size, so you don't have to use a lot. I did, when I first started using this, I did use a lot when I was first washing my hair, because I was like, this is not, I have to use a lot to shampoo my hair. But as we all know, when you first start shampooing your hair, you don't have to use a lot, but you know how that goes. So next, I use the conditioner. Now, I would say the conditioner, like I said, I didn't like it at first, but I didn't keep it in my hair for a long time, if that makes sense. Like, I put the conditioner in my hair, I waited for about 3 minutes and washed it out, and I was like, I don't like this. Like, it didn't do good for my hair. But when I did it a second time, I kept the conditioner in for about 5-10 minutes, and when I rinsed it out, you guys, oh my gosh, I was like, this feels so lovely. Like, my hair was easy to detangle. I just loved it. You could see my curls popping, and it was so moisturizing, and it wasn't dry to my head. And the only problem that I have with this conditioner is that it's so creamy. Like, you can look at it and tell that it's so creamy. Like, to me, it looks like banana pudding, but that's how it looks. But it's so creamy that it was kind of hard for me to get it out the bottle through the top. So I had to screw the top off and actually take it off. So I wish this was in a jar, because how creamy it is. But it didn't give me any problems after I kept it all the way. Like, I had to do it like that. Like, I had to really shake it. But yeah, I actually like this. And the conditioner, so for the conditioner, it says thoroughly conditions and hydrates, penetrates well into the layer of each hair shaft, prevents and repairs cuticle damage, restore hair condition and deliver shine, make hair soft and reduce frizz. So basically like that one, but it says conditions and hydrates. I don't think this said condition and hydrate. Yeah, this says cleanse without stripping, penetrates the layers. But yeah, I really like this one. Now onto the gel. The gel is what I was worried about. I like the gel, but I believe that it doesn't hold how I like it to hold. I think I'm so used to using the Cream of Nature glue for my hair, for my twist outs. But when I do my twist outs and I like comb it through, not comb all the way through, but I comb through my roots, it just don't look good to me. But the gel, I would say I do like the gel. This is the gel. It smells so, it don't smell so good. It has a smell to it, like it smells good, but then it's like you can tolerate the smell, but it smells decent. This says it helps to support growth and retention. This is called the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. Like I said, I like the twisting gel. It defines my twist. It leaves it very moisturizing when I do a twist out for my hair, and when I do take it out for my twist out, it leaves a perfect, like, it's so, if I didn't like my hair picked out after I do a twist out, and I like it like it is after I do a twist out, like untwist it and keep it like that, oh my gosh, this will be the perfect gel. Like, I love it. Like, it does give it definition and it does give it define, but when you start stretching your hair and picking your hair, it immediately goes away. So I wish it had more, definition to it. So like, I don't really know. Like, I like my twist outs a certain way. I like it to stay. Like, some of my twists you can see, I don't know. Like, I did a twist out yesterday, and this is what I have today. Like, that's what it leaves. So I wish it had like a stronger hold. That's what I'm looking for. I wish it had a stronger hold, but don't get me wrong, I do like it. I do like the twist outs. It gives me amazing results once you untwist it and leave it there and leave it like that. Like, it's amazing. But once you go to separate it, or once you go to pick through your roots to stretch it out, it's not so good. But would I be purchasing the Main Choice Egyptian line again? I will probably get the shampoo. I will have to try the leave-in conditioner. I probably have to get the shampoo. I would get the conditioner if it was in a jar like this, because it is so hard to get it out because it's so thick and creamy. It is so hard to get it out. But, and I would also get this again if I wasn't doing like a super twist out. I just wanted to twist my hair and go. For my boyfriend, it worked very well for his hair because he's just getting twists in his hair and it stays. Like, if you're just getting a twist in your hair and you're not taking it out or anything, it's perfect for that. It's shiny. It makes your hair look good. It curls your hair. It does what it says. But if you're planning on doing a twist out and taking out the twist the next day, I wouldn't recommend the gel. But yeah, that's how I feel about the Main Choice. I would get the shampoo again, and I would get the gel again. The conditioner, I'm not too sure if I would get again, just because it's so hard to get it out. But it is very creamy and moisturizing for your hair after you keep it on for 5 minutes. Like, I had to keep mine on for 5 to 10 minutes, and once I rinsed it out, it was like butter through my hands. So yeah, that's how I feel about the Main Choice Egyptian line. And I will be doing more product reviews on different products as soon as I get different products. Well, as soon as I get more products, sorry. As soon as I get more products, I'll be doing different reviews, how I feel about it. It'll probably take me about a month or so because I have to use the products over and over again. And as you can tell, well, I shook up the shampoo, but as you can tell, I have been using the products to give you honest reviews. So if you would like for me to do a review on any hair product that you like or you're thinking about, let me know. Comment in the comment section and I'll see about getting that product. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.